Shrinkers. What are they? Why do we use them? The purpose of a shrinker is to reduce swelling and to get your residual limb in the correct shape, or at least headed that way, to be ready for your first prosthesis. So they prevent swelling, they shape your residual limb. They also help prevent the dreaded dog ears, which is just your skin kind of sagging out at the bottom, not rounded off like that. They also keep your skin from stretching, which can also cause breakdown. You always want to roll them on, not just pull, because you want to make sure it's nice and smooth and you got no wrinkles. You want to make sure that it's tight enough, but you don't want it cutting off your circulation. Some amputees, if they have limited mobility in their arms and hands, may need help with a donning tool for the shrinker or assistance from a caregiver. So how long do we wear these? You wear them 24 hours a day minus bathing and wound care. And they're very, very essential in the first few weeks, first few months to getting that correct shape. A lot of amputees will also say that some type of compression on their residual limb helps decrease some phantom pains. Care and maintenance, you just wash them with a mild soap to prevent bacteria. Make sure we air dry so we can keep the elastic nice and springy. And then also, if you need a replacement one, just contact your prosthetist and they should be able to get you another one. Common mistakes are to, like I said previously, put it on with a wrinkle. It's not smooth. That wrinkle can cause a blister or skin irritation. Also make sure the size is correct. If it's too big, then you're not really getting benefits of any of the compression. After you take your bath or shower, then you put this back on. Your shrinker is going to be your best friend for the first 3-4 months. The more you wear it, the faster you'll be able to get into your prosthesis. Now let's go over the two types I have here. This is a shrinker with ring. I don't know if it has any other names, but that's what we always call it. So what you do is you just kind of move the ring farther to one side. I don't even know if we have any sizes that are going to fit me, but here we go. All right, what you would do is, I know I said roll it. These are so hard to roll. So you're going to pull this one and you just want to keep smoothing it out so you got no wrinkles. And then what you do is you pull the O-ring tight to your distal end, and then you just fold the remaining pieces over. And that will help give you just like a tad more compression, but it's better than it dangling down there. The next shrinker is every above knee's favorite, with the waist belt. So they make these because a lot of people have problems as they're like standing up or they're on crutches or something, with other shrinkers just constantly rolling down or falling down. So nobody really likes this one because it's kind of annoying and you have to wear it around your waist all the time. But if you want to get into your leg, you're going to do whatever you got to do. So you put these ones on, and then it just kind of simply goes around your waist. And then that way when you stand up, it doesn't drop down at all. It doesn't move. It'll be on you all day. Don't forget, if you got any questions about shrinkers, limb protectors, suspensions, feel free to give me a call, text, email. Hope you guys have a great weekend.